So guys, this is after 4 days from the start this process, and what we got here is because I use a little less stronger acid, just 18-20%. Actually I need more from the 1 liter, from the 160 grams pins. So what I got here, again, I got a full saturated solution, so I need to decant a little. So what I'm doing some filter dissolution to remove extra acid, and when I finish remove extra solution, I add some new HCl. So I will back when I finish this kind of process. So what I'm doing the next is the spray filter into new dish. I collect all the gold in one dish and keep it to the end of process. I need both hands for this, and you see that this is all the gold particles, but it's not clean yet. We need to soak more one time on the end in the HCl, but for the now this is it. We got these and we got this one here, and when we remove this saturated solution we add more new HCl in this. Okay. And now we decant all the saturated solution. Here they are. And what we left after 4 days, we got this. So I don't actually know if you see, a lot of gold is gone from the pins, but try to get bigger. You see that? A lot of pins, especially from the laptop battery pins, still get a lot of gold. So we will leave this outside over the night and maybe 1 day, and let this to corrode and the oxidize with the air. So you will see what oxygen can do. It's get the process much quicker, and just that little acid which now left on these pins and oxygen for 1 day will make all the pins oxidize very fast. And when you add some new HCl, the process is so fast at the end. So okay, we'll be back tomorrow in the evening, when we add more HCl to these pins. Okay, this is just after 1 night. You see that? You see what oxygen do to pins, or that slug on the bottom. So look at that. So this is speed a process. You don't need anything right now, you just need more HCl. You see the reaction? So when you leave your pins over the night and they oxidize. When you put more HCl, you don't need to put inside more copper 2 chloride or hydrogen peroxide, because we already got immediately reaction and everything looks cool. Okay, now we add just more HCl. And we leave it again for a day or two. Okay guys, welcome to the next part of my video, gold recovery from the mixed pins. And we're ready. After 7 days we already finished. So you see that gold, I start decant and the filtering solution. It's not to see very good, so I'll back when I finish to see the result. Got my foils in filter, so look at that. It's a mixed pins, so you're not gonna see big foils. It's a small foils, almost like dust. I already wash it with the tap water. And what we do next, for the next we will test the solution for gold. For the next step we will filter, clean this filter with the HCl in the clean dish. See that? Oh, this is the gold. So this is HCl, and we're gonna clean to remove some copper which is left, maybe on the side. And we collect with the HCl our foils in this new dish. All that black stuff is actually a foils. Maybe you'll see that, maybe not. My camera is bad, but we make the point. And we're just looking for the changing coloring on the green, but actually I don't see any. You see that? Any change of color? Just a little. So this is how it looked to me. This is the pure foils, not much copper inside. And because this is the recovering video, we not do any refining. We will leave this for the couple of hours, and after that we will filter and going to smelt this gold. And this is our use filter. We don't want to waste that filter. We just put him in the jar with the old filter. We will process that later. You always keep the wet filter inside, and you just twist, because if you leave it filter to dry and put him in some dish, couple of filter, if they stay too long, he's became the paralyze, and they want to go to fire himself. And okay, this is our stannous chloride test from our solution, and if you can see that there is no more gold, there is no gold in the solution, so this is okay. Now I will back for a couple of hours to filter this. Okay, we will filter our gold dust from the foils from the HCl, and you see how HCl is little green, so we remove the else of the rest of the base metal, and we will clean this with water, and we go to smelting. And we now wash with the tap water or distillated, how you want it, to concentrate all the gold in the middle and remove acid. So okay, we will leave this to dry and we go to melt, straight melt. Okay, we will cut the extra filter and we ready for melting. So see that it's need a long time with the micro torch to smell the foils. It's much easier with the dust, with the powder, but now we will do this without refining, so we got all the time in the world. And okay, I finished smelting and look what I got. So not much. I can sharp, but I expect more. But okay, not a problem. 0.2 grams. 0.2 grams, but not pure gold. Maybe at least 14 carats, probably 14 carats, but it's fine, no problem. So 160 grams of pins, mixed pins, not full plated pins. I got 0.2 grams, not pure gold. So probably you need half kilogram pins to pound, maybe pound or half kilogram pins to make 1 gram gold. And to make 1 gram pure gold, 24 grams, maybe you need 700 grams, maybe a kilogram of pins. So that is it. I hope you like it. And it's so funny when this big pile of foils turn into something that small. Okay, goodbye.